All right, guys. So today we're talking about affiliate marketing with ShareASale, and I'm going to be showing a very, very unique, underground, very, very rare method that not a lot of people know about that you can put into your arsenal and start promoting in this way. This is a very unique method. A lot of you have been asking me for new methods, and I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of very, very interesting methods. But before we do that, I want to talk a little bit about ShareASale, and I want to show you the kind of offers that are going to work really well with that method. And also I want to mention a couple of offers that you should avoid if you're going to be using this method. And so here we are in ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network, just like ClickBank, just like, Warrior Plus, just like Digistore 24 and all of those other networks. All right. So what I really like about ShareASale is that it has over 16,000 merchants, 225,000 publishers, and they generated 182 million sales in 2020, and it's going up. So this is a very, very legit affiliate marketing network because you can find offers from very well-known companies, very famous companies that you can promote that you simply do not have that ability in ClickBank and these other networks. So I definitely recommend you to take a look at ShareASale. So I'm going to log in into my free account, and I'm going to show you exactly what kind of offers to promote and how to do it correctly. And so here I am logged in into my ShareASale account, and I want to show you exactly what kind of very, very cool offers you will be able to promote using this method. So first of all, here on the left-hand side are the various categories of offers. Now, if you take a look, they really have a lot of great offers. So for instance, if you head to financial, let's say you go into finance, and so here you are in finance, there's a lot of really good financial offers you can promote. There's a lot of cool software products. There's a lot of really well-known brands, a lot of really, really good things. So we're not going to be talking about finance. In fact, today we are talking about health and fitness. I know many of you have been asking about, hey, James, you always talk about make money online. What about health and fitness? How do we promote health and fitness? Let me show you one of the best ways. And what's interesting about ShareASale is that health and fitness has the most offers, right? And this gives you a lot of freedom because you can go out and you can pick, you have a choice of lots of different offers that you can choose from. This gives you tremendous amount of freedom, and that means that there's lots of offers are competing for your attention. Okay, so we're going to click on this right here. We're going to go in here and we're going to load this up. So let's say we're going to go into health. And so here we are in health. There's lots of really cool offers. You can take a look. But what I want to do is I want to show you a little shortcut. So if you go into the keyword search and you type something like supplements, right? You can type something like supplements. You can do that and you can hit go. It's going to show you exactly what you want. So if you want to promote supplements, you can promote supplements, right? If you know exactly what you want to do, this is a big advantage. You kind of have to know what you want to do. So if I type supplements, I scroll down and we have some really great supplements. Now, what's interesting about ShareASale is that right away you see the EPC, right? You have the EPC. EPC stands for earnings per click. And this is a rough metric of how much money you're making per click. Now, this is assuming you have a certain amount of quality traffic. This does not mean that you can send some random traffic and you're going to be making $24 for every single click. This is on average from all the merchants on aggregate, provided that you're sending quality traffic. So what this means is that if you have quality traffic, on average, you can expect to make, or at least that is what they're showing you, $24 per click. And that is because you're going to be getting a decent amount of commission. So for instance, this bulk supplements, this is the first results. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at this website. And this is their affiliate program here. This is their portal here, right? Bulk supplements, 15% per sale. Average sale, $89.39. Average commission, $625. Average EPC, $19.29. And this is over 7 days. You can take a look at 30 days as well. You have a conversion rate. Last transaction is today. Auto deposit, 90-day cookie. This is actually really good because that means that if you send a user, they will be able to make the purchase within 90 days of you referring them, and you will be able to get credit for it. So if they purchase it, on day 65, you will get credit. But if they purchase it on day 93, then that cookie has expired and you won't get credit. This is actually really good because a lot of affiliate programs, they only give you the so-called 30-day cookie. and this is 90 days. So this is 3 times more, right? Power rank, you have terms and conditions, you have commission rates. You can take a look at default rates, your group commission, etc., etc. You can take a look at different rates. Now, when you're ready to apply, all you have to do is click on Join Program, and you will be able to join the program and then go from there. Now, the other thing I want to show you is that you want to go to bulk. You want to go to this URL here, right? You want to take a look at their affiliate page, but you also want to go to the website. And so what I really like about the site is this is a no-nonsense site. They actually are selling things that people will buy, right? So if you're into fitness, if you're into working out, bodybuilding, weightlifting, you're going to be buying stuff like this, right? You're going to be buying whey protein, you're going to be buying creatine, right? Because these products are proven to help you perform better in the gym, right? We have different protein powders, muscle buildings, right? So the benefit of stuff like this, of selling things like this, of promoting things like that, is that you don't need a huge sales letter, right? People already know what is vitamin C. They know what is protein powder. They know what is whey protein. They know egg white protein. They know casein protein. They know creatine monohydrate. They all know this stuff. You don't need to go out and sell anybody this stuff. They know it. You just need to send them to a site where they can buy it, and they can be, it's a trusted site. They could be comfortable buying from there. And this is exactly a site like this. So this is a legit site. And so you can read all of their refund policies, shipping policies. It's a very legit site. They take all kinds of credit cards, including Apple Pay. And so this is a site that you can trust. It's not, it's not a product you need to convince somebody to purchase, stuff like that. This is really, really easy. So this is a product we're going to be promoting. So once you click Join Program, you're going to be redirected to our page where you can download various affiliate links. So how are we going to be promoting this program? Well, there are a couple of really, really good ways that I'm going to share with you. The first way is by going to a website called Heapsy.com, and this allows you to find real influencers in seconds. Okay, so you can create a free account, you can request a demo. I'm going to log into my free account, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. All right, so I'm logged into account, and I'm looking at different influencers. I have the followers, I can see their engagement rate, all of this. So you want to take a look at the engagement. So for instance, this person right here, she's in the District of Columbia, United States, right? So she has 7.2% engagement, 3.3, 2.8. You want somebody with higher engagement. So if you click on this account, you can take a look, you can see what's up, and you can go out and you can, hit her up, and she accepts these shout outs, right? And so you can contact her and say, hey, I have a product. I would love for you to have a quick shout out. How much does it cost? You guys can negotiate. But before you do that, you can read engagement rate, 7.2%, very high. About 10% of influencers in the segment of 15 to 50K followers have a higher engagement rate. Only 10% have. The average engagement rate for this segment is 3.4%. You have an engagement rate distribution, right? And then you can take a look at this one, photo posts. You can there's some stats here, growth rate, etc., etc. There's a lot of interesting stats. And then you have a lot of these other followers. You can also take a look at Instagram. You have YouTube you can pick from. And you can search by keywords, right? We haven't figured out what we want to do yet. So for instance, if I type fitness and I go into keywords, I have more followers, right? I have this person, I have this one, I have this one, 5.5, 4.8 engagement. We have another person here, and then you can upgrade and you can see more results. And I believe upgrade is a very, very easy process. It's very simple. We can also go into YouTube and we can type, and we see various accounts, right? We can type fitness here for YouTube, and we can see if they allow some kind of a shout out or some kind of an advertising, right? And here we have, this 120K subscribers, fitness, workout, and motivation for girls. We have another account, 1.2 million, 61K, etc., etc. So there's lots of interesting things. You also can do it by location, right? So I can pick United States here. I can do apply. I can have subscribers. Let's say I want, 20K. And I can do views, videos, channel, influencer type, YouTube verified. I can go to Instagram and I can, change it. I can do categories. Let's say fitness and wellness. I can apply. I can do location. I can do United States. I can also do state, city if I want, but we don't really care about that. We're just looking for higher quality traffic. We could do followers. And then you have more people here. So obviously somebody with fewer followers is going to be cheaper than somebody with more expensive followers. So here we have 7.2K followers, 5.1% engagement. So we can go to this account. We can take a look on this is their cost of their promotion posts, the follower evolution, the growth, etc., etc. So we can take a look. We can scroll down. 5.1% engagement, very high. About 10% of influencers have a higher engagement. Okay. So this is actually good because, you know, this means that only 10% have higher. So this person has higher engagement than 90% of, you know, influencers in the same segment of 5K to 15K followers. So you have lots of followers to choose from. You don't even have to upgrade. You have like access to 8 accounts that you can connect to, and you can negotiate a rate. Now let me show you another site. The second site I want to show you is Shoutcard. Okay, shoutcard.com. We're gonna log in, and I want to show you the account. All right, so I'm logged into my account, and now we can browse influencers, right? We have influencer marketing by Shoutcard, the top influencer marketing platform, reach over 750 million active followers and subscribers. So we're gonna hit browse influencers, and we're gonna see what we have. So this is a list here. We can filter by keywords, so we can type fitness. And remember, guys, fitness is just one keyword, right? You can, you can type, weightlifting, you can type bodybuilding, you can type health. It's just, you have to use variations of it. Okay. So we have we have different filters. So let's say we don't want all, we want, let's say Instagram. Okay. Instagram and bio link. So we're going to do that. And now we're just looking at Instagram accounts. So here we have this account, 636,000. There's the price. We have more accounts here, and this is the price. This is how many followers. So we can open this account, and we can take a look. What is this account about, right? Success rate, 93%. We have various reviews, average response time, 1 hour. And then you have your prices, 2-hour shout out, $39, 24-hour shout out, 75. You can package it up and you can go out. So take a look at this one, the countries. United States, 17%, Brazil, then you have Italy, Spain, UK, etc., etc. So you have a top tier country, you have some Latin American countries, then you have more European countries, you have UK. And so you can have a decision how it works, right? You can have a decision whether you want to go forward with this account or not. Obviously, I would load up this account in Instagram. I would take a look if they actually have some kind of a engagement. Are people talking to them? Are people replying to them? Do they have real people kind of, interacting with them? I'm not going to just buy a shout out without checking with them first. That is very, very important to do. But you don't need to go to this account. You can try another accounts. You have all of these other accounts. We can unlock another account. So let's say I want to promote this account here. And now take a look at this account right here. This guy here, this is a person. This is a guy right here. One review, average response time 9 hours. We have a 2-hour shout out, only $10. Your ad will be taken down from influencers Instagram feed after 2 hours. You can buy 24-hour shout out for $15. Or you can even buy a permanent shout out for $20, right? To me, it sounds like any of these options is better because, for an extra $10, you can have a permanent shout out, which is going to hopefully get you more sales. Okay, you can take a look at countries, whether it's top tier or not. You can take a look at different people here. It looks like it's a bunch of different people. I could be wrong, but it doesn't seem like there's one person. Maybe it's a collection of different images, collection of different pictures. And you can browse by different shout outs, right? You can do a shout out on the feed. You can do a bio, right? $12, 2-hour plus bio link. That sounds pretty good to me. You can do a story, and then you can do a story and a link. So there's lots of different options, lots of different ways of doing it. And so along with Heapsy and Shoutcard, you have 2 of the many sites out there. There's a lot more sites that you can buy these so-called shout-outs on Instagram. You can buy also an ad on YouTube, TikTok, depending on how you want to do it. But I just wanted to show you Instagram in this video. Now, I know many other sites, so if you guys want to see more sites where you can promote different offers, make money online, health and fitness, relationships, crypto, Bitcoin, stuff like that, leave me a comment below and I will make a more comprehensive video, and I'm going to show you more traffic sources, but I gotta know first if this is something you guys want to see. So if you're interested in more traffic sources, more sites, more ideas, more strategies, leave a comment below, like this video, and let me know what kind of traffic strategies, what kind of traffic sources you want to see. Maybe you want to, have a strategy with ClickBank, a strategy with Max Bounty. Let me know in the comments below, and I will gladly make a video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.